Recommended tips to make your Forex trading take off. Affiliate marketing is the process where a revenue sharing plan is implemented online using an automated marketing program which lets webmasters place an advertiser's ads or links on their website. This video can help you understand this simple, yet also complex method of marketing and publicizing your business, product and services. Securing reciprocal links is a modest but important step in any profitable affiliate marketing program. Website owners should always do what they can to get a link from their affiliates back to their own website. Such links are doubly desirable because they not only increase the utility of the affiliate program, they also improve the website's standing in search engine results rankings. Make a unique web page for each affiliate product. Write relevant and helpful information about the product for your visitors to read. If you focus a page on a single product, you can target a specific audience that is already interested in the subject. It also makes tracking much easier. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. See how a company tracks outside orders, not on their site, before choosing an affiliate program. If your referrals lead to an order placed by phone or mail, you must ensure that you are given credit for these sales. Otherwise, you may not be paid for your efforts. Track and analyze the exact source of every visitor to your affiliate links. By doing this, you can identify which marketing techniques are bringing in visitors and, more importantly, where visitors with the highest conversion rates originate. You can then concentrate your time and money on only the successful marketing techniques. You can up your productivity in affiliate marketing by simply clearing out the clutter from your mind and from your desk. Ensure that you're only focusing on affiliate marketing by making sure your desktop is free and clean, and also tidy up a bit in your immediate line of sight. Multiple studies show that a cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. As it has been explained above, affiliate marketing has many benefits as well as many ways to utilize it. There are many different ways to go about affiliate marketing and all can be quite successful. By understanding the information in this video, you can decide how affiliate marketing can work for your business. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.